Hey there friends, I cannot wait to show you all of these amazing products coming out in the March 2021 release from Elle Studio. Just look at all of these products this month. This is probably one of the biggest reveals I've ever seen, and I've been around quite a few years with Elle Studio. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with the monthly kit and show you every little thing being released this month. Okay, this is the March monthly kit. If you've never received a kit from Elle Studio, it comes with 4x6 tags, die cuts, and 3x4 tags. And wow, this is the first time I'm looking at this, guys, because I like to do that so that I can be just as surprised as you are. So excited already. Let's take a look at these die cut sheets first. So many amazing colors going on here already. I love the orchid and I love the yellow, or fuchsia if you want to call it that. I think that's really what Elle calls it. I really love these speech bubbles here. You are my lucky charm, and there's a bunny because there's a couple of different holidays going on here in March. Lots of just great usable tabs, the labels for journaling, and things you can add phrases to. All right, so there's the die cuts. We also have the 4x6 tags. This one's fun, just numbers, so that could be great for numbered journaling or a birthday. This one's really fun, like confetti. Love it. And yellow, always my favorite when there's a yellow tag in the kit. Now to the 3x4 tags. Fun, fun, fun. That one's really fun. Stars. 1, 2, 3. Work hard and relax. Yellow polka dots. This striped one's nice, and it goes really well with that fun, fun, fun. There's another multicolored tag. I always love the multicolored ones because they just pull everything together. Hooray. This is a great one for like day in the life. You make my heart sing. This kit is making my heart sing. Coral, days of the week. A grid, like a wonky kind of grid. This fuchsia with 3 different journaling spots. Hello Spring. Notes from today. Love that green. It's such a pretty Kelly green color. Another multicolored. This one is breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and brighter days ahead, which we all hope for. So that, my friends, is the March 2021 kit. Now, with the kit, there are add-ons that you can add to your box that coordinate perfectly with the kit. So let's get into those and see what we have. The first thing that we have is the March labels, and those coordinate perfectly with the kit. They have phrases on them this month. Every month the labels are different, and it's quite fun to see what Elle comes up with. So really like this set. That's going to be super usable. Next, we have the Jane alphabet cardstock stickers. This is the tile alphabet, and these are in light teal. So super pretty, perfect color for spring. All of your punctuation here, guys, all of your numbers, just a really great tile alpha sticker. Next up, we have happy birthday journaling tags. Remember that Elle has the awesome die cuts that help you create cards that are like, you know, perfectly sized to put one of these on the front. Well, you could do a few sheets of pattern paper with those die cuts and then add this and your card is done. But there's quite a few. So there's the red and the blue. There's candles. Oh, hip hip hooray, I love that one. Balloons, more balloons. Oh, there's like cool and warm. Party details and party details. So you can create a card and then you can document the party. Love it. Those are the happy birthday journaling tags. Next up, we have the happy birthday chipboard stickers. I think you guys are gonna love these. If you loved the February cardstock stickers, you're gonna love these, because these are like the rainbows, you guys. Take a look. I just love those. I'm so excited about those candles. I want to do something with this right now. These little cakes are super cute, and I can see some stitching happening with these balloons. such an awesome set. That's happy birthday chipboard stickers. Okay, we also have the label stickers. These are in teal, and you can see here, these are light teal, so they match with the Jane Tile Alpha. Super beautiful matte finish here, guys. Nice, and like a thick cardstock. Love these so much. Really excited about those. Next up we have the Tiny Shapes and Dots puffy stickers. So these are nice, cool colors. You have that light teal all the way to purple. Really excited about those. Happy birthday wood veneers. So you have balloons, you have presents, happy birthday, that'll be perfect on a card. And then these sayings down here. So perfect for cards or layouts or pockets. Next up we have the Happy Easter wood veneers. This one has a beautiful title here, so you could put that on a layout and you are done ski. And then you have these two cute little bunnies to go along with it. Then we have these, I'm so excited about these because this is going to be awesome for a title. The Hooray wood veneer banners. They say hooray, happy, cheers, special, and wishes. And they have little stitching on the top. How sweet are those? Okay, we have another wood veneer set. I just need to find them here because mine are missing. Here we go. There's just so many products this month. These are the Grateful wood veneers, and they say things like, I'm lucky to have you, so very grateful for this moment, good times together. So this one would be great for a card. These are really special for a pocket page or a layout, traveler's notebook, whatever you prefer. Then we have the large acetate numbers. And I love this neutral color. I'm going to hold it in my hand just so you can see. Look at that. Perfect for any kind of color scheme you want. And those are going to be awesome, you guys, on a layout. I can see that going on like a dark color with a title. Awesome. Large acetate numbers. Then we have the acrylics. So next up we have the acrylic balloon and presents. So really colorful here. You have this dark teal, which I'm in love with, pink, red, coral, and then these yellow, what are those things called? And I always forget what those are called, but you know, these yellow things. And then the presents to go along with it. Then we have the tiny acrylic eggs and bunnies. So little eggs and little bunnies this year, you guys. I know you guys have loved these in years past. These are just tinier. It's always awesome when it's tinier, right? Then we have a brand new paper stack. This one is full of color. I'm super excited about it. And if you loved some of the patterns on the tags in the monthly kit, you're gonna love these too. Let's take a look. We've got this teal numbers, dark blue celebrate, a beautiful stripe. Oh, I see some solids, I'm excited. Confetti with stars, well, sprinkles, stars, sprinkles, confetti, whatever you want to call it. This is red. I'm so excited about solids. And look, there's white on the back. So you can use that really easily for a flip up and put your journaling on the inside. Happy birthday to you. Little font in lots of different colors. Fuchsia, hip hip hooray. I love that pattern. Candles. Oh, teal solid. Yes, I'm here for you. Yellow polka dot. Did I just get two? Yeah. Teal chevron. Fuchsia solid, a rainbow stripe, coral grid, and then a dark coral solid. Amazing, amazing colors, and I can't wait to use this one. So these are sized at 6 by 8.5 inches. Perfect for any kind of project. I just love this one. Next up is the Make-A-Wish stamp. So our birthday stamp, this is Ellie's birthday month, and I believe it is 13 or 14. I'm gonna have to check on that, and I will let you know in the video notes. So Make-A-Wish stamp, so great for cards, great for layouts. There's that awesome Celebrate circle that was on the navy blue paper. There's your candle. You can do presents, you can do balloons, and then you have your sayings down here. Awesome, awesome stamp set. Then I'm really excited, you guys. I'm excited about the whole thing, but we have a new alpha in the house, the Parker alphabet stamp, and Ellie kept this so secret she didn't even tell me. Can you believe that? The Parker alphabet stamp. So it's a sans serif. It's a bit more squat than, well, a lot more squat than the large Jane. So if you want to pair up the large Jane and this, they would look fantastic together. So we have the alphabet and the number. And then you guys, I'm just gonna blow your mind. Get ready for it. Get ready, friends. Because they also have dies to go along with them, the alpha and the number Parker dies. Then I'm gonna blow your mind again because we have a die to go along with the Make-A-Wish stamp. So everything you could cut out here, you can cut out. You also have the balloon string. You have this confetti or sprinkles, whatever you wanna call it. You have it all. Super duper excited about that. I'm gonna be die cutting up a storm. Last, we have the Happy Birthday metal die, and this coordinates with the layered card metal die that we talked about before. So you can cut this to the center and then layer with the layered card metal die and create a card in no time. You could even make this a shaker. I think I found my first project for the March gallery. So that is it, friends. Huge release this month. I am super excited about all of these amazing products. Number one, first and foremost, I want to say happy birthday to Elle Studio. They produce such amazing quality products. And Elle is so wonderful at customer service and design. I love this company, and I stick behind them whatever comes. And I'm so excited about all of the release products this month. Be sure to check them all out at the link in my video notes. Some of these are sure to sell out, you guys, so grab them fast before they're gone. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out my process videos that I create for you this month. Happy creating!